Alright, today I'm going to be installing the Raptor running boards after the leveling kit that I installed yesterday. Kind of makes it a little bit more of a necessity for getting in the cab, raising it up 2 inches in the front. Was a challenge before, but now it's definitely necessary. These are the 2 running boards, and the 6 brackets come in the kit along with all the mounting hardware. So 3 brackets on one side, 3 on the other. When we get underneath the truck, I'll show you the holes that are used to install them. So when you're under the truck, they say to use the first, third, and fifth holes, but there's really only 3. It's these 2 here. And then you can see along the way there's a couple more at the end. So I will use the first, second, and 4th holes to mount this so that I have better weight distribution spread across. So next step is to just go ahead and get these out with the handy dandy removal tool. Now I've got the 3 brackets on there. Again, loosely installed, makes it easier. Once you get everything put on, then go ahead and tighten it all down. But 6 bolts is all it takes to put this on. Now I'll be installing the actual running board onto the bracket. Went ahead and got the board laid on there. Just, you can see, adjusted the screws, got those on there. So now it becomes a matter of, all right, where do you want this thing at? And where's it going to look the best at? So I think I'm going to go about there. That looks good. Now that I've got this, I'll go ahead and put the nuts on the bottom of the running board and then tighten everything down. So there it is, all installed, and it turned out really nice. I like it. It's in a good placement. It's really usable. It probably took about 40 minutes to get this side, but that's, you know, taking it out of the box, getting all the equipment set up, hardware, ready to go. Overall, I'd say probably took me an hour to do both sides, and that's probably, you know, taking your time. You can get it done in an hour, hour and a half tops. As far as projects go, this is the easiest one you're going to do on your truck. It's simple. 12 bolts on each side, that's it. And so if you want to get a set of running boards, this is the Raptor. It looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. They didn't pay me to make this, obviously, but I'm giving them props because I like the finished look and the width. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.